Newcastle Permanent is partnering with HMRI. They will become our innovation partner. Very exciting news for a range of different reasons.
So we were based 26 years ago now on a partnership between the University of Newcastle, the Hunter New England Local Health District and our community. And in fact, the community at that time was represented by the Newcastle Permanent Building Society in its form at that time. So what's really exciting and just a lovely synchronous coming of age about this investment is that 26 years later, we've grown, the Perm's grown, the Uni and the Health District have grown, and our community's grown to over 1 million people. And now we're ready and we need an injection of funds to help us do things differently again.
HMRI is brimming with talent, and our hope is that this investment will accelerate the development of world-leading research that can make a lasting difference to the health of our community and beyond.
It's really investing in the core of HMRI, which exists to rapidly mobilise knowledge and put it into practice and out into industry and out to where it's going to benefit the community. And for us working in science, we know that that gap can be 17 years between when we make a discovery in the lab and when someone's able to make use of it out there in the real world. What this funding does will help us to close those gaps and shorten that timeline so that people can really experience the outcomes and the benefits of the work we do here at HMRI within their lifetimes.
This funding will enable us to listen to our community's needs, bring that together with the funding from Newcastle Permanent, use the university and the local health district, and really enable a research program against what our community expects of us. This will enable us to be more future fit and more fit for purpose moving forward with new funding models and keep us ahead of the pack from other medical research institutes in Australia.
So what this funding does is give our young scientists the opportunity to think beyond the end of a grant and beyond the end of the project and think how they can actually be involved in closing that translation gap and getting their innovation into the hands of the person who needs it most. And so for this partnership to be specifically investing in that gap, it means I think that more people and more young people particularly want to come into science, stay in science and be there to see the impact that it has.